Out here in the shop today with this Gen 5 454 I bought a few years ago. Got it cheap. It's in overall really good shape. It was running when I bought it, but I just kind of want to do a health check. I don't know really what I'm going to do with it. Might just turn it for a quick flip, might use it. Don't know. We just want to make sure the overall health's good, but I popped these main bearing caps earlier and a couple of rod caps. They all kind of had that going on. As you can see, crank's pretty good, but we're still gonna polish it and put a set of rod main bearings in it. My name's on it. I don't want to have it come back to me as an issue later on down the road. So, plus if I end up using my own stuff, well, yeah, there's that.